Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to talk about how to buy and send Bitcoin on Nuggs Crypto. I know that Bitcoin can be a bit intimidating to get started with, but I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of safety and security when it comes to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a relatively new asset class, and there are still some risks involved. It's important to do your research and understand the risks before you start investing. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started. How to buy Bitcoin on Nuggs Crypto. Create an account. The first thing you need to do is create an account on Nuggs Crypto. This is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Verify your identity. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that helps to prevent fraud. Fund your account. Once your identity has been verified, you can fund your account with Canadian dollars. There are a number of ways to do this, including bank transfer, Interac e-transfer, and credit card. Buy Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, you can buy Bitcoin. Simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and click the Buy button. How to send Bitcoin from Nuggs Crypto. Log into your account. The first thing you need to do is log into your Nuggs Crypto account. Select Send BTC. Once you're logged in, click on the Send BTC tab. Enter the recipient's address. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies their wallet. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Once you've entered the recipient's address, you'll need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Click Send. Once you've entered all of the information, click the Send button. That's it. Your Bitcoin will be on its way to the recipient. Be sure to double-check the recipient's address before you send any Bitcoin. It's important to be aware of the fees associated with sending Bitcoin. Nuggs Crypto offers a number of security features, such as two-factor authentication and cold storage. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video on how to buy and send Bitcoin on Nuggs Crypto. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. Thanks for watching. Until next time.